There are various keyboard shortcuts for SAP Business One that simplify your daily work with the software. We will show you 10 shortcuts that will help you process documents even more efficiently. Instead of navigating through the document with the mouse, you can also use the Tab key on your keyboard. This will always move you one space forward. This action is particularly useful for quickly and efficiently starting new content or workspaces without having to use the mouse. To close the current window and return to the previous view, you can use the Escape key. This enables quick navigation and return to the previous level. You can add a new row to a table using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-I. This makes it easier to add data or expand the table without having to use the mouse. To duplicate a row in a table, you can use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-M. This is an efficient way to reproduce or edit existing data without having to re-enter it manually. If you want to delete a row in a table, press the Control key in combination with the letter K. This keyboard shortcut allows you to quickly remove rows and makes it easier to edit data in tables. A document chain consists of at least 2 documents. For example, we start with the quotation, then move on to the customer order, then to the delivery, and finally to the outgoing invoice. You can use shortcuts to jump to the base or target document. If you have the quotation open and want to see the corresponding sales order, you can jump to the next higher document with Ctrl-T. Press Ctrl-N to jump backwards, for example from the outgoing invoice to the delivery. Press Ctrl-H to jump directly to the first row of a table. This is useful if you want to quickly return to the top of a large table without having to scroll through all the rows. You can jump to the last row of a table using Ctrl-I. This saves time, especially in large tables, when you want to quickly get to the end. It can be very annoying if you have to enter a date everywhere you process a lot of documents. That's why SAP Business One offers many helpful shortcuts to make your work easier. If you want to enter today's date, simply type any letter in the date line. The Tab key automatically inserts today's date. If you need a posting date in the future, you can use the plus sign in combination with the number to choose an arbitrary day. So if you need the date in a week, just write +7 and you will automatically get the desired date. If you want to enter a date later in the current month, then it is sufficient to define the day. So write 23rd if you need February 23rd. The separating dots between the day, month and year do not need to be typed in either. SAP Business One immediately recognizes the date based on the figures. During the course of a working day, many different windows are opened in SAP, which at some point make the workplace confusing. Click on the window menu item and select Close All. With just 2 clicks, all open windows close automatically. This makes it easier for you to clean up your screen and focus on what's important, without manual effort. You can create a report that displays the last purchase and sales prices of an item for a specific or for all business partners. In a sales or purchasing document, place your cursor in the unit price field and use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-Tab. This can be helpful if you want to compare how the price has changed recently, or to check whether discounts were given in the past. Various filters can also be set to further narrow down the results.